Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide Facebook friend list on your Facebook app. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to hide your Facebook friend list on your mobile device, tap open your Facebook app first and make sure to log in. Once you're inside, from the main home page of Facebook, tap on the menu button at the bottom right-hand corner. Now, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy drop-down. Tap Settings one more time and it will take you to this interface. From your Settings page, tap on Profile Setting under Profile. Under Privacy, tap on Profile Privacy. Scroll down and find a tab that says Who can see your friend list. Tap on one of the options to set your privacy preference. Now, choose Who can see your friend list from your Facebook profile. If you'd like to hide your Facebook friend list and make it visible only to yourself, tap on Only Me at the bottom. Soon after you do that, go back by tapping on the arrow button located at the upper left. Go to the main home page in order to save your change. That is how you can easily hide your Facebook friend list from your Facebook mobile application. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.